Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Apache Tomcat. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The trigger route execution on PeSIT acknowledgement functionality has been extended with the ability to trigger advanced routing with a payload that is either the original file or one specified in the PI91 field. Two new advanced use cases can now be accomplished. 1. Configure an advanced routing flow with payload based on the received acknowledgement. And 2. Send a file that was specified via PeSIT acknowledgement to a partner. Check the administrator guide for examples that can help you create complex flows using PeSIT acknowledgment-based triggers. A brand new landing page is now available to master administrators upon logging in. It provides one-click access to all SecureTransport configuration menus, as well as an extensive search functionality and an overview of the most important alerts and warnings. The dashboard page, located at the top of the menu, presents 4 key elements. First, we have the search bar, a highly requested feature that allows you to search for different types of SecureTransport objects. The drop-down menu on the left is where you can select which objects should be included in the search. A new highlight is that you can search within login restrictions, transfer sites, and certificates. Just type in your search criteria and press enter to see the results. The Resources Center is a section with useful links, including a training program in Axway University. Next, we have an at-a-glance list of all SecureTransport configuration menus. This centralized view makes it easier to navigate and find the menu you're looking for. And the last section is a real-time overview of the most important alerts and warnings. Click on a card to see more information. For example, here we can check which certificate is expired, along with the expiration date, and then we can take proper action to replace it. This update adds a server configuration option, XFERLOG TM Advanced Enabled, which introduces a new logging format with 3 additional parameters: core ID, transfer ID, and initiator of the file transfer. This option is disabled by default. If you enable it, the information for all client and server-initiated transfers will be logged in the XFERLOG file on the SecureTransport server in both standalone and cluster environments. As the transaction manager uses the new format, but the protocols don't, it's highly recommended to have 2 separate XFERLOG files, one for the transaction manager and one for the protocols. For more information on the setup, check the administrator guide. The example on the screen here shows the table view of a typical log entry, enhanced with the additional parameters: core ID, transfer ID, and transfer initiator. The Plan Your Installation and System Requirements sections in the On-Premises Installation Guide have been updated and reorganized for a better experience when planning your SecureTransport installation. The purpose of the Plan Your Installation section is to help users decide on the most important elements of the SecureTransport architecture, like deployment options, certificate considerations, and ports and firewall rules. The System Requirements section is broken down into 2 main categories: hardware requirements and operating system requirements. The second is further divided into requirements for the user, the installation location, OS specifics, as well as clustering and external database requirements. Thank you for watching. Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.